was just curious how you felt about today. How was the event altogether?
Hello, and I felt that there was a lot of effort which went in the way children conducted. A lot of discipline, a lot of hard work goes into what has been performed in the school Founders Day practice. I have seen my daughter was also there in it, and I could see children performing and putting their all efforts in it.
Which one was your favorite performance of the whole day?
Oh, the one that I saw where Krishna was actually dancing, and the other one was, of course, Boomer.
Thank you. Good morning. We wanted a little bit of thoughts about how you felt about the Founders Day. How was the ambience and everything?
I think it was absolutely amazing, mesmerizing. The performances and the efforts put in by all the students as well as the teachers was commendable. I think it was actually a day come true.
Any one performance that you thought was your favorite?
It would be actually difficult for me to pick one. So I think everything was amazing, outstanding.
Any one performance you thought?
Same reply.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi guys. So what were your thoughts about the Founders Day today?
It was so heart felt like heart touching. It was great.
It was great, actually.
There
It was
were
a thrilling experience, goosebumps all the time.
exactly, and like there was this one scene I was actually crying. I was so like it was so good.
I liked all kinds of dances, especially the Maratha one.
Yeah, the
It was
Maratha one. It,
Actually,
like
so
wow.
exciting and thrilling.
A clear favorite, Maratha dance?
Yeah,
Yeah, I think.
that has to be our favorite. Yes.
Thank you. Good afternoon. I just wanted to know your thoughts on how you felt about the Founders Day, the ambience, how it was.
It was absolutely stunning performance by the kids. Before I attended this function, I never realized that kids have so much of talent. It was really a big surprise for me to see, and I wish that they continue to perform better, outshine everywhere, each field that they have been working on.
And children's was very nice. I like the band performance and Huma dance very much.
Thank you.
It was a mesmerizing performance, and I don't have like a single performance to say that it was the best. Everything was beautiful.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Good
Could you share your thoughts on how you felt about today?
I think it was really, really fantastic. The whole ambience is so fantastic. I think the expressions, the whole storyline, I would say, it was really nerve wracking because you were just sitting out there and watching what's next. It is amazing to see such a script which is written to the teachers and to the entire team. I would say thank you. And I love the way even the decorations have been done. I think it's through sustainability, the things that you all have just brought in with things that we use, but you've still made it such lively. I really I have no words, but it was really awesome.
And any performance that was your favorite or you liked one?
I would say everything. There was nothing which I would say this was it, but I loved all the dance performances. I loved the history, really. There were certain things that I think I did not know. And it actually, in this 2 hours, it gave me the entire history of what Delhi is about.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.